Anaga Rural Park, the green heart of Tenerife, one of the oldest parts of the Canary Islands, shaped by volcanic activity about 7 to 9 million years ago. Covering more than 14,000 hectares, it's one of the island's most diverse natural areas. Here, you'll find ancient laurel forests, living relics from a time when such trees covered much of southern Europe. Anaga is home to one of the highest concentrations of endemic species in all of Europe. In 2015, it was declared a UNESCO Biosphere Reserve. Mountains, clouds, deep ravines, and small villages blend into one landscape. Life here moves slowly, in harmony with nature. In this film, we'll explore Anaga's best viewpoints, hiking trails, and beaches, each filmed on different days and in different weather. Relax and enjoy a slow journey through the northeast of Tenerife. For more information, free maps, and travel guides, visit our website. The link is in the description below. And don't forget to subscribe for more peaceful journeys across Tenerife. Mirador de Jardina, a viewpoint overlooking the valley of La Laguna and the green ridges of Anaga. On clear days, Mount Teide appears in the distance. In the morning, light fog often covers the valley, constantly changing the view. From here, you can also see the Aguaide Valley, one of the island's oldest agricultural areas. It's a popular spot, and during high season, it can get busy. The parking area is small, so it's better to arrive early. A perfect place to start your journey through Anaga. Bosques de Anaga, a quiet walk through a humid forest, peaceful and untouched. This is not a tourist location. We're sharing it especially for our subscribers. You'll find only trees, moss, and the sounds of nature. These woods are part of the Macaronesian laurel forest, a type that once covered large parts of southern Europe. Some trees here are hundreds of years old, constantly wrapped in mist brought by the trade winds. The air is cool and fresh, filled with the scent of earth and leaves. The trail is easy, suitable even for families. This is the real Anaga, green, alive, and calm. Mirador Cruz del Carmen and Sendero de los Sentidos, one of the main entry points to Anaga Rural Park. Here you'll find the visitor center and the start of the short Path of the Senses. It's one of the easiest trails to experience the magic of the forest. Humid air, drifting fog, and the rustling of leaves create a calm, meditative atmosphere. In high season, this spot gets busy and the parking area fills quickly. Visit early in the morning or on a weekday for a quieter experience. Camino viejo al Pico del Inglés and Mirador, Pico del Inglés, an old road running through a dense, emerald green forest. When the fog descends, it feels like walking through a cloud. The branches form natural green tunnels, one of Anaga's most iconic scenes. Nearby lies Mirador Pico del Inglés, one of the island's most breathtaking viewpoints. From here, you can see La Laguna Valley, the northern coast, and Anaga's mountain ridges. On very clear days, even La Palma and Gran Canaria are visible on the horizon. Taganana and Playa del Tachero, the road to Taganana winds through tunnels and steep mountain slopes. The village is one of the most authentic on Tenerife. Narrow streets, old houses, and a calm local atmosphere. Taganana is famous for its vineyards and local wines, a tradition dating back to the 16th century. From here, a trail descends to Playa del Tachero. It's not a swimming beach, rocky shore, strong currents, and little sand, but it's a perfect place to feel the raw power of the Atlantic and enjoy complete silence. An ideal stop to experience the wild spirit of northern Tenerife. Benijo, Cruz del Draguillo, one of the most scenic routes in Anaga. We hiked on a cloudy, slightly dramatic day. The fog moved along the ridges, changing the light and the mood. The trail follows an ancient volcanic ridge, one of the oldest geological formations on Tenerife. It includes steady climbs and descents, a good workout, but never rushed. Panoramic views of the ocean and cliffs stretch on both sides. Here, Anaga feels especially wild and powerful. Playa Benijo, Playa de Almáciga, and Playa del Roque, the main beaches of northeast Tenerife. Black volcanic sand, strong waves, and dramatic rock formations in the sea. This is the best place to feel the real vibe of the Atlantic. You can swim here, but always be cautious. The currents are strong, especially at high tide. Even on the calmer Roque de las Bodegas beach, the ocean demands respect. Sunsets here are unforgettable. Soft light, reflections on wet sand, and the deep sound of the waves. Weekends can be busy, but on weekdays, you'll often have the beach almost to yourself. Aguaide Viewpoint, a short, easy trail along the edge of the cliffs with breathtaking views. It's listed in all trails as an easy route, and it truly is. From here, you can see the ravines, steep rock faces, and the endless Atlantic. The trail starts near the village of Chinamada and runs close to the cliff edge. Not ideal for children, but perfect for those seeking peace and panoramic views. Don't forget proper hiking shoes with good grip. Trails in Anaga are often damp and slippery. This is one of the most beautiful viewpoints in northern Tenerife. Chinamada and Taborno small mountain villages where homes are carved directly into the rock. Chinamada is famous for its cave houses, traditional dwellings still inhabited today. From here, you'll see terraced hillsides, deep ravines, and the vast Atlantic Ocean. At sunset, everything turns golden and quiet, the perfect way to end a journey through Anaga. Anaga is more than a place. It's a feeling of peace and connection with nature. Every trail reveals a new face of Tenerife, from misty forests to wild beaches. Slow down, listen, and feel the rhythm of the island. If you enjoyed this film, subscribe to the channel. For more information and free guides to Tenerife, visit our website. The link is in the description below.